Hello?
Okay, man. Present arms. Present arms. Present. That means aim at the guy.
Oh shit.
Aim.
Or you say take aim.
Angie, you're being executed for crimes against the motherland. Do you have any last words?
Look up there.
Fire. Good job. Good job. Okay, stop. Okay. I think he's dead now.
Yo, what the hell did I just join to?
Yeah, so welcome to the armor
what the-
operation.
Doggo, why are you black?
Schmick.
Oh no,
Well, he's
that's 'cause
fucking
I-
Morgan Freeman.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Are you gonna meet up at this big rock, or
Say again?
do we meet up at this big rock up here?
No, the big rock area, southwest from both of us. Right, lads, I've been misleading us. I'm sorry. Instead, head towards northeast.
Alright, we'll just park the boat back here. Avoid making too much noise.
Back rows clear, back rows clear. Clear, clear.
What the fuck was that?
I see a quad.
Come on! No! Oh!
Deja vu, I've just been in this place before. Higher on the street, and I know it's my time to go. Going new, and the search is a mystery. Standing on my feet, so hard when I'm trying to be me.
With a blood effects on the screen.
What the fuck did you do now?
Hi command, this is Volga 1-2. I recommend we never get quad bikes again.
There's one down on the cliffs behind us. On the rocks behind us.
Go on. Oh, fuck.
Volga 1-1, copy. Volga 1-2, this is Volga 1-1. Yeah, let's fucking survive.
Oh my god. That's a
Oh, what?
nuclear explosion?
What the fuck?